Cat, what's good, guys? Good morning. Happy wait, what day is it today? Thursday. Happy Thursday. How's everybody's morning going today? Good morning to all of you. Welcome back to another fine Thursday. Thanks for hanging with me today. Good morning, Max, Vicky, Adley, Wander, Aftab. What's good, guys? How's everybody doing? How's everybody's week? Hello, bro, Marco. Happy to see you. I'm happy to see you guys, man. I always look forward to these streams with you guys. Longs are getting smacked. What longs are getting smacked? Another day, another W. Nuno, what's good, bro? Thanks for stopping by and saying what's up. What it do, Marco? Coffee, what's good, bro? What's good to all you guys? Okay. First things first, before we talk any sort of charts, any sort of trading. The mods called it out. Smash that like button. Again, always helps us, but it helps you guys as well. The more likes we get, the more interaction we get, the more giveaways we do. Okay, so I have a couple things we gotta talk about. First things first. Our Discord, our free Discord dropped this week. So any new people in here, if you have not joined our Discord yet, mods, get that link running in the chat below. But chat, you have to be getting in this Discord. We are going to be running some insane giveaways. And of course, there's going to be value drop like no other. And it's free. It's free. Why would you not want to be in a free Discord? They just added, I believe we just added a section for myself and a section for Tyler. So I'll be posting some charts in there. I'm sure Tyler will be posting. I think Tyler literally just called out a trade for you guys yesterday. And then he made a bag on stream on gold. So that was dope. But yeah, guys, there's the link down in the chat below. Hop in the Discord if you guys haven't already. And one more thing, what we're gonna talk about. Oh yes, okay. The first, listen to this. All right, are you guys ready? Lock in. The first giveaway is being ran in Discord. I don't even know if you guys can handle this. All right, listen. The boss called up and announced that first giveaway is going to be an iPhone 17 Pro, 5 times Apple, I can't even talk, 5 times Alpha Capital accounts. So that's what the CFD side, 5 accounts. TradeZella, 5. Apex accounts, 5. Funded Next accounts, 5. Look at this. Look at this. If you guys have not joined the Discord yet, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm not sure what you're doing. If you have not joined, what are you doing? What's up, Marco? What's up, guys? Good morning to all of you. Please do me a favor if you guys haven't already, like the stream. We're gonna hop into some good stuff today. Without further ado, let's go look at some charts in a moment here. First, of course, going back to what I just told you about this insane giveaway we're running on Discord, would not be possible without family over at TradeZella. Okay, I don't have my TradeZella sweater on today. And then we got the brothers and sisters over at Apex Trader Funding, paying people out millions of dollars. All right, did you hear me correctly? Millions of dollars. And of course, for all of your CFD needs over at Funded Next, code CF, guys, for all these wonderful companies supplying you guys the best discounts possible. And there you go, Funded Next. Where's my finger? Right there. Code CF for the best discounts, the only discounts. W's. But yeah, guys, listen, for everybody that's new in here right now, hop in the Discord. We have a crazy giveaway being ran in there in due time. Again, just before we start this, let's listen to me quick. Listen to me. One iPhone 17 Pro, and I'm pretty sure that phone literally came out last week or a couple days ago. 5 Alpha Capital accounts, 5 TradeZella subscriptions, 5 Apex accounts, and 5 funded Next accounts. Okay, who's giving away stuff like this? Tell me, who's giving away stuff like this? And for your last look before we move on, look at that. There you go. That's for you guys. So all you gotta do is literally just join the Discord. That's all you gotta do. W's. All right, chat. Now let's hop into some good stuff. We're gonna talk charts. Where are we going? There we are. Cool. All right. I don't have anything checked off right now, so we can go through everything together. Indices and forex, and we'll see if we can find anything. However, I don't know if we have much that's cooked up currently. We'll see how New York it unfolds. Where's my English today? Six, count them, 6 months. TradeZella. Are those giveaways today? Those giveaways are being ran in the Discord. So any information on the giveaways, let me go check Discord real quick. One sec. Yeah, so join the Discord, guys. We're gonna have there's the giveaway section in there, so keep an eye on that. And yeah, we're good to go from there. And you guys will get updated within the Discord when the giveaways are gonna occur. Literally, all you gotta do is join the Discord. That's it. And why would you not want to? It's free. All right. NQ. We have gone bearish ever since running last week's high. Okay, look at this bearish candle we got right now. Coming back to fill this whole imbalance, which will basically be tapped about here. So this will be 2 weeks ago, that previous high. Going into the daily, this is what we're looking like on the daily right now. 4 hour. Nothing too interesting. We're now trading below PDL, running some internal lows to the left hand side. I can't put my finger on much. I'm not gonna lie, I can't put my finger on much right now. So NQ is most likely going to be on the back burner for now, like it usually has been the last couple weeks, unfortunately. But this is good news though, okay, for myself at least, and for my system. We're starting to build price action more and more. Okay, it looks like we've printed some sort of top, which is good, which means now there's going to be some sort of trade opportunities going forward, which is I can say finally, because I haven't taken a trade on NQ in I think over 2 weeks. And that's why you guys know I branched over to forex. I actually smashed a beautiful gold short yesterday on gold, so we'll cover that. Took that with my community yesterday and bagged almost here. Wait, you know what, let me show you guys. Boom, there it is. You guys see 3,600 on gold yesterday. There you go. So that was yesterday. We'll cover that. We'll go over that. Don't worry, Papa is here. Mr. TG Capital's in the building. What's good, Tyler? What's good? What's good? Casually life's changing every single day. God bless y'all. Yo, Dynamite, I always see you in here, bro. I appreciate you for always for hanging. Take a trade and quit yapping. Yo, come on, man. Tyler, hear me out. Ever since I've switched back to forex, I haven't lost a trade. I have a 100% strike rate. All right. Am I a fortune teller? No. Well, actually, maybe. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. All I know is I have a 100% strike rate right now, Tyler, with but when I hop back on forex. I don't know what's going on. We're on a little bit of a winning streak right now, boys and girls. All right, so let's hop over to YM. YM just stabbed out these lows, which is not ideal. I have something in my eye right now. YM stabbed out these lows, which is not the most ideal situation. Reason being is because I wanted to short into them. So just like NQ, I'm going to be waiting. All right, maybe New York delivers some sort of price action that kind of unlocks price a bit more, because right now NQYM is a big stop sign to me. All right, now let's move over to the forex side of things. Gold leaving a wick on the daily, right? Sorry, on the weekly right now. Yesterday we closed up bearish, okay, below previous low. Yesterday we shot a wick up, possibly printed daily high maybe. That was in London session, and we've had a little sell-off ever since. Okay, respecting some lows here, which is important, to be honest with you, because this could be a possible short target now for us. Let's see what we'll see what New York unfolds for us, because maybe we can catch a little bit of a short on gold here. Gonna need some sort of move to the upside though, and I can't really identify where price needs to be going. Maybe up here. I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Okay, what we'll do is we'll leave a little red tick on gold right now, because maybe we can catch a continuation short, possibly. It's possible. It's possible. All right. At least to the lows. At least at 37.29.63. Can you please check Euro USD? I am making my way down the list. Yo, chat, what's good, guys? Mr. Tyler's in the building, guys. Listen, if you guys have not already known this, and I don't know how you would have missed this, but Mr. Tyler is on stream almost every single day in Asia session. So for all you people that like to hop on the computer at nighttime and trade Asia, you have the best streamer live with you guys almost every single night. This week, I think it's been every single night. And he's going live again tonight in Asia. So join the brother Tyler. Show him some love. I don't know if you remember, Marco, I said a couple days ago, 24,550, very key level, and NQ, very key level. 24,550. Yeah, I guess we're coming close to that. So we'll see. Gurpreet, good call. I got an 83% win rate on XAU USD this month. Ernesto, you're doing something right, brother. Let's go, bro. Love you, pal. Love you, Tyler. Always, bro. Always, always, always. Buys or sells on gold. I would not be buying this right now. I'm not going to lie. I would not be buying this. I think maybe the high of the day has been printed in London today. Possibly, at least. We're going to have to wait and see. I believe if we go long here, there could be a short opportunity down, and that's what we're going to be waiting for. All right, back into these lows. Nothing really pretty. I won't lie to you guys. Nothing I'm overly confident about. And that brings me to my short yesterday. Take a look at this baby. It was back into PDL. Look at this trade. Oh, she was a beauty. It was a 1 to 10.8 overall. No, I did not hold full volume because I'm not a psychopath. So no, it wasn't 10.8 R. It was ended up being, I risked $500 and made almost 8 grand or 4 grand. So that's 8 R, almost 8 R at least, just under, which is friggin' amazing nonetheless. This last week we did, and bear with me, this is the first week back on forex. Last week I did 10%. This week I'm up 4%. So I'm on a little bit of a heater right now. Is this gonna happen every single week? Fuck no, it's not. Hell no, it's not. But hey man, when they come around, we'll take them. We'll take them for what it is when they come around. But yeah, we'll go over this trade in a bit, guys. We're just gonna skim through the rest of the charts, see if we can see anything, any possible trade opportunities coming up. Euro, yucky. But what did I tell you guys on Tuesday the other day? Shorts above this high, and what did we do? Shorts back down into the lows. Big coincidence. Marco, your language. This is a children's channel. Oh, listen, if we got children trading, I don't know if that's good news. I don't know if that's good news, guys. By the way, of course, I forgot to mention we're gonna be running giveaways later as well. We got some Apex accounts. We got TradeZella. 6. Wait. Can you guys hear me? 6. Count them. 6 months. TradeZella. 6 months TradeZella subscriptions gonna be given away later on stream as well. We always got giveaways for you guys, man. We're always giving stuff back for free. bear with me. I will go through my gold short, guys, in a bit yesterday. But again, I just want to cover some charts right now, see if we can find anything, see if anything looks good. I don't like anything on euro, so euro's gonna euro can eat shit right now. No thank you. Aussie, no thank you as well. Aussie was nice though from these highs here after taking out all this. That was on Wednesday, so that was yesterday. So it looks like there was some decent opportunity on Aussie, but as of now, I'm sidelined. UJ, I've been talking about UJ, man, for a couple days now, but I'm extremely bullish, and I posted this all over my socials. I really want to cash these longs into these highs. It's almost automatic. It's too easy for me. 6, count them, 6. It's automatic, these longs. Okay. However, we haven't had an entry build yet, and that's fine. It is what it is. But we're gonna stay patient and wait. Okay, because when an entry does come, I'll know that I'm gonna be holding to these friggin' highs up here. All right, we got about like a 200-300 pip swing on UJ. So stay tuned. When the entry comes, I'll let you guys know, and we'll be riding this thing up all the way into 151-300. All right. We can plan short on gold. There's a liquidity block on M1, and there's liquidity buildup as well. Yeah, we'll see what happens on gold. We have that checked off for now, so we'll take a look. We'll keep an eye. UJ, unfortunately, like I said, guys, it's gonna be on the back burner. We're gonna have to wait on that guy as well, just like the other ones. GJ might have some longs. All right. However, the price action that GJ has been delivering us this week, I mean, you guys can do the math for me, right? Look at this. Not too clean. Not too clean, to say the least. Excuse me. But we'll wait, because I think GJ might have some longs today. Back up. I think GJ actually might long all the way back up. So here, let me clean the chart up a bit. We'll go through it. But we've taken out these lows to the left. Okay, after that, check this out. Induced buyers, and then we trapped all them. And then ever since, we've been trading to the upside. Look at how we built here, though. And just ran all that. Okay? Ran all that internal liquidity. So, I am going to say I'm bullish on GJ for some buys. However, the delivery overall has been caca so far. So, again, just one of those situations where we got to wait for an entry. Marco, what did you say about EU for now? I am not trading EU right now. EU looks ugly. EU looks ugly right now. Don't even have it checked off. Right now we got gold and GJ checked off. And then the funny guy, German 40. As you guys know, I was in longs in German 40. And actually never reached target. So I would have never actually made money on it. But this is funny because look, if I drag this over, I was in like right here. Look at this. Look what happened in London yesterday. Tag me BE and then flew and took out this high. But that was a funny one. But German 40, I'm waiting on German 40 as well. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna be looking for, I think these lows now. These lows should go. And once these lows go, generational, and let me say this slowly, all right, and clearly for you guys, generational long is gonna come around on German 40. So lock in, because when German 40 is cooked, it's ready. I'm telling you, there's gonna be a beautiful long on this thing. How often do I miss a trade? Okay, so listen to this, guys. I actually don't miss a lot of trades. I'll miss moves, but that's because there was no entry. There's a big difference. Big difference. Sometimes I'll miss a move, but that's because there was no entry. DAX is so clean. Listen, Tyler. Yes, I agree it is clean. But let's look at the daily chart we have right in front of us here. Okay? Let's look at this daily chart right in front of us. Now, Tyler, is this clean? I'm going to put this here for us. That's what that price action looks like right now. I'm playing, but it's just been building a shit ton of liquidity, and this happens with every single asset. I don't care what anybody says. This happens to everything. So right now, we've been in a range for 22 trading days. Building. But I'm telling you guys, listen, screenshot this, whatever you want to do. When we take these lows, you are going to see a incredible long back to the upside. Incredible. And I'll be taking them. I'll be taking this long, and I'll be riding them up to these highs. All right, these are going to be the targets up here. All right, so keep this guy open for the future. Right now, no bueno. But for the future, yes, please. All right, so we'll keep an eye out. Gold's coming back up. This is what we're looking like on gold right now. Did this low get taken yesterday? No, it didn't. So we got equals down here, which is even better news in my opinion. Dow buy? No, I don't know. I literally don't know. I literally don't know. We're at the higher time frame extreme. Could it buy? Sure. We've taken our lows. You could see a move up to these highs. What I'll do though is, you know what we'll do is we'll leave this checked off. We'll keep an eye, because you could see longs back up to these highs, but we're gonna need to see what stock open does here. That's what's gonna be very, very important. All right, so we'll keep an eye on Dow Jones. Could see those highs be a target for today. But again, the stock open will be a big telltale. So we'll wait for YM on stock open. Gold, we talked about that. And NQ, if I was to trade an indice today, it's not going to be NQ, it's going to be YM. All right, so NQ will be on the back burner. News. Do we have news today, don't we? 8:30. No, news was already announced. You scared me for a second. You scared me. Marco, what do I think about gold today? I believe gold could have a short for us today. Nothing really clean, because to be honest with you, what could occur as well, and this is what I really want to be open to, price can easily leave these lows for the future. The reason being, we just had this big sell off to the downside. We could see a higher time frame move back up. Okay, and we have all these highs, so don't rule that out. However, the best way to trade this asset would be wait for the lows to go and then buy back up. But if a clean sell comes along, we could take it. We could take it. Tyler says he already full ported on the 1 second. Why would you full port on the 1 second and not tell us, dude? All right, I mean, I could always pull up the 1 second chart. Guys, give me 1 second. 1 sec, I'll be right back. Literally 20 seconds. Was that 20 seconds? Hopefully it was. Yo, Nagenda says NZD CAD Marco. What the hell, man? You guys trade NZD CAD? Marco, please talk some crypto. I'll go over crypto maybe later if I have time. But we're gonna be focusing on the pairs, on some pairs today, some other pairs. I see something at 10 a.m. economic calendar. I do not see any news the rest of the day. We had some news at 8:30, which came in right here on gold. I don't see anything else though. Can I view 37.61 for a sell? So you're talking about the highs? Guys, my indicator is private. Hi Marco, can you show us why your stop loss? Yes, of course. So guys, we'll go over my trade quickly from yesterday. This is what the M1 looked like. If you take a look at the area from the left hand side, This is the area I used to take an entry. You can see why my stop loss covers this high here. All right, so I use this area for an entry. So I took the entry as soon as the liquidity was taken. I could have actually waited for the last high, but I didn't do that. But you can see it took the last high. I just waited for this high here. Entry. Stop loss. What am I targeting? You have, look at this on the 1 minute. Lots of liquidity here. If you look to the left-hand side, liquidity left here. And then liquidity left here. You know what? Now that I'm really looking at this, guys, be careful on sells. Be very careful on sells. Don't touch this thing for sells, I think. If these lows go, awesome. I don't think I'm going to be selling into them, though. Yeah, I don't think I'll be selling into them. Any verified results? I have all my results inside my community on Ondridge. No, I don't use Darwin X. You know what though? And I'll say this openly to you guys. I do need to build a professional track record for myself. Because, I mean, every trader should be doing it. Right? An actual track record. I mean, I have funded accounts and stuff like that, but I feel that's not really a professional track record. I should build like 12 to 24 months of data. So that's a goal of mine for the future. I have not done that yet. So. I'm long gold from this AM. Nice, bro. Bro, today 8:30 there was unemployment claims. Yes, sir. 8:30 was right here. That was 8:30 news there. So we'll see. Stock open came in. All right, we're back down at the lows. Keep an eye on YM right now. What's GJ doing? GJ back down at the lows. This is a difficult one. There's so much lows to the downside, but I feel like maybe that higher time frame will come through on GJ. Yeah, everything on my list right now, guys, is in that like kind of situation right now where I'm a little bit on the edge. So I'm gonna step carefully a bit. I mean, I've taken a trade every single day this week. I've taken a trade Monday. That was German 40 break even. I took a trade with you guys on Tuesday, Euro. Went well in profit, but then I didn't want a partial and went BE. And then I had gold shorts yesterday. So I've taken a trade every single day this week. So I'm not hungry to click the button and press anything. I'll make a Darwin X right now. Yeah, Tyler, I think it's a platform to build like a track record on. I haven't looked into it. What you mean by a professional track record? Just gathering data over the course of like 12 to 24 months, and like showing what you can do, like what your system can do, strike rate, return wise, all that just to build a record for yourself, a track record. Hi Marco, how can I participate in your course? Guys, all my links are in the description down below. My Twitter, my Instagram, all that stuff. So if you guys want to follow me there. I didn't even know what it was. If I would have, I wouldn't have any clue. Ah, shit. Yeah, I haven't looked into it personally. I just seen some people on socials using it. That's about it though. All right, stock open is coming, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if this friggin' NQ just continues selling off. YM though, getting a little reaction off the back of this low to the left-hand side. So we'll analyze PA accordingly, see what kind of PA we get going forward. I thought trades. No, see, Eugene, yes, it is, but it's doing it for funded accounts. All right, what I needed to do is put money into a personal account, like in a brokerage, and build an actual professional, clean track record for like 24 months over like on one single account. That's what I really want to do, because then once you have a track record, that opens the doors to like investor capital, a lot of other stuff, right? But investors will never ever take you on and give you capital if you don't have a track record of at least 24 months. If I think even it needs to be more, that's like the minimum. So Marco, you are the best trader and mentor. I am definitely not the best trader and mentor, but I appreciate the kind words. Shaw, thank you, bro. Mohammed, I don't see any buys on Euro USD right now. I'm going to do forex though. I like FX better. You know, Tyler, it's funny you said that. Because you know, man, maybe I do like FX better. Which is crazy to say because I've enjoyed myself a lot on futures, but you know, there's something with holding trades over the course of a couple days to my actual targets that make me enjoy FX more, because the fact that I can't hold trades on futures, it really does my head in. Because listen guys, when I have a higher time frame setup intact and like I have an idea of where price is heading on the higher time frames, I'm like the chances of those targets being hit are drastic, like very high. And very rarely am I wrong when a setup is intact. Okay, the problem is I'm not able to take advantage of those setups sometimes on futures because I have to close at 5 p.m. right, or before 5 p.m. In forex I can close whenever I want, right? I can hold the trade for a couple days. Nuno, appreciate the love, bro. That's the brother Nuno in chat. Much love, bro. Can you show us how to get entry after liquidity sweep you targeted in your protected low? Ivan, what's a protected low? Any gold futures buys under 37.60 liquidity? Yeah, it's possible, bro. It's possible. It's possible you could see some longs. Let's see what kind of PA we get down here, guys. Oh, what's good, Noman? Good to see you in here, bro. There's a glitch? Oh no, AJ. Oh my god, guys, listen carefully. First things first, for all the new people in here, Joni says thanks for John says thanks for the giveaway. Of course, John, we got tons more, and that's what I was going to talk about right now. We have lots of giveaways coming today. I am going to be doing multiple Apex accounts. I'm going to be giving away a free TradeZella subscription. So hang around. I'm not telling you guys when. But hang around. I got Apex accounts to give away. I got TradeZella subscription. So don't miss out, man. Don't miss out. And we are almost at 400 viewers. 400 viewers. I don't know what the record is, but are we going to break the record today? Like the stream. Share the stream. Let's break records today, man. Come on. Are we gonna break records? I don't remember what our live viewer record is, but maybe we get there today. We'll see. YM going back down to lows. We have 8 a.m. low down here, so let's keep an eye on this low. I've been short gold since the fill of the FVG on the 4-hour. Oh, you talking about in here? Yeah, that's good. You're chilling. 415 is the record, and we are currently at 400, I believe. So guys, listen. I need all 400 of you guys to do me a favor, all right? Do me a favor. I got lots of giveaways for you. Okay, I'm doing something for you guys. You guys gotta do something for me. All you have to do is hit that like button, man. Hit that like button. It's all you gotta do. Smash that like button. It is free. It'll help me. It'll help me help you guys by doing more giveaways. And who does not like giveaways? All right, that's free accounts. That's free stuff. Giving back to you guys as much as we can. Wait a second. This name is familiar. Adidia. Are you the one that was spamming in my webinar? That call I was doing? and I was getting upset with you and you kept doing it on purpose, do I have to put you in timeout? Do you have to go into the timeout bench? Gold going for internals. Yeah, gold's selling off right now. Coming for these lows. We'll keep an eye. We'll keep an eye. We'll keep an eye. GJ's having a little bit of a reaction to the upside. Yeah, much love to all you guys. We just smashed 200 likes as well, so I appreciate you guys. Thanks for your consistency and rewiring the newbies mindset. Hey man, you guys aren't newbies. You guys are just new. Not all of you guys, but there's some people in here that are just new. They're learning, and man, I've been there too. We've all been there. We've all been in that stage where you're just consuming lots of information, learning day by day, and that's important. You got to do that. You got to do that. Yeah, but gold's coming back down, guys. Coming back down to these lows we were talking about. So we'll see what happens down here. I was in that move currently risk-free. Mr. Wonder, are you talking about on gold shorts right now? W. YM below 8 a.m. low. Let's see if we can get some reactions down here. If this thing is going to go long now, keep an eye on what price does now below this low. Okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Suburban says, guys, why is it so damn hard to hit the like button? I don't know, Suburban. I don't know. And we're at 416 live viewers, chat. Are we gonna? I think we're breaking the record. I think we're breaking the record today. Come on. Let's go. W's. Is there gonna violate news after this? I don't think there's news, guys. I don't think there's news. NQ Shorts banged off 2-minute orb. I don't know. A lot of you guys talk about this orb. I've never heard about this orb before until I started streaming with you guys. YM below the lows again, below 8 a.m. low. So this is what it looks like in the hourly. Okay, so look how 9 a.m. candle, stop below 8 a.m. candle. Again, we want to keep an eye on what price wants to do down here. We'll see. If we can get this the rejections and maybe some sort of entry, we could ride along. It's possible. I'm going to be managing it aggressively though, for sure. These are conditions where I'm not just going to coast along. I need to cover my risk accordingly on these indices because, yeah, the indices, they're on some smoke right now. Gold below the lows. Gold below the lows. Interesting spot. This is another one I want to keep an eye on. Below the 4-hour lows. Excuse me. We're going to have to see what price action does down here. Bobby, it's in the Discord as well. So if you guys are new to the Discord, we just added my own section where I'll be posting some charts. And there's also a section for Tyler as well. There's also a section for Tyler as well. If you guys have not joined the free Discord yet, you got to get in there, man. You got to get in there. We are running. Okay, listen. You know what? This is a good time because lots of new faces. Listen up. Listen up. In our new free Discord, take a look at this. Okay? Do I even have to say anything? Look at this. Read it. We have an iPhone 17 Pro, 5 Alpha Capital accounts, 5 TradeZella accounts, 5 Apex accounts, and 5 funded next. Look at this, man. Get in this Discord. That's our first giveaway. First of many. Mods, spam it. There you go. The mods have put the link in the chat below. Join the Discord if you guys have not already. We are going to be doing a shit ton of giveaways. Chatting with you guys. We're building a sick ass community, a dope community in there. Yeah, man, get in there. Get in there. If you guys have not yet already, get in there. YM still trading below the lows. Nothing yet. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Mr. Tyler's in here. If you and also for all the new faces in here right now, Asia session. If you guys are an Asia trader tonight, hop back in the stream tonight because brother Tyler is streaming. All right, guys, we're always live with you guys. You always have a stream to come hang out, to come chat, to come talk about some trading, to come listen, to come gain some value. Buying gold here, hella risky. Yeah, I mean, if I was to buy gold, I would be waiting for confirmation. I wait for a low to print. I would not just be hammering buys right now, because I still feel like these lows are on the cards as well. I'll mark this out for you guys. I feel like these lows are on the cards as well. Okay, so careful, careful. I'll let you guys know exactly how I feel about stuff going forward, if I see possible opportunity or not. I only see Marco, no chat for Tyler. You'll see it, bro. You'll see it. If you mods, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Go to the general chat, mods, and type in Tyler's channel so people can click it directly. Guys, go in general chat if you guys want to find Tyler's channel. And I think we broke our live viewers record. Oh my god. W's in the chat. I think we broke our record. I believe we're at like 425 viewers right now. Marco, can you explain your entry that you posted? Yeah, Midas, we actually went through it not too long ago, earlier in the stream, so you can rewind and rewatch it. But we just went through it. If I got some time later on, I'll go through it again. That's no worries. I just want to look at some live charts right now. Yeah, kid, you animal, much love, bro, Tyler. And we got Wifey in here. Wifey is in here for the live viewer record. That was fast. Oh my god. And we got Papa Riz in here. We got the whole family in here. Brother Tyler, Papa Riz. We got the Wifey. Oh my god, we got everybody. I like the Asia session. I don't know a thing about FX. I can't focus too much in the day because I'm looking at my stuff at the same time. There you go, Mayo. So you got Tyler's stream at nighttime for you. Hop in with Tyler. Gold, what we doing? We're below the low still. YM, did we get a reaction on YM? We're starting to get some sort of a reaction. We'll have to wait and see what happens on this guy. But we're trading in these areas to the left-hand side. We'll see. We'll see if there's a little bit of an intraday short. Or intraday short. Intraday long is what I'm saying. And then we got brother Falak in here. W Falak. He says, Uncle Marco killing it. Much love back to you, bro. How do we enter the Discord giveaways? Guys, all you have to be is in the Discord. That's all you have to do. Join the Discord. You are entered. You are entered into the giveaway, okay? We got giveaways running in the Discord. And I got giveaways on stream for you guys today. Oh my god. I can't keep up. How many free accounts do we give away? Someone let me know. In this Discord, I only see Marco's section. Okay, guys, listen up. I'm going to show you guys something with this Discord because it's very organized, actually. So if you hop in... If you hop into the Discord, I don't know how I can show it on stream. Okay, guys, if you hop into the ChartFanatics Discord, at the very top on the left-hand side, it says channels and roles. Click that, and you guys can view and check off what channels you want to see. Okay? It's very easy, very straightforward. Okay, so do that. Again, lots of new stuff happening in that channel. And not only there, but I'm going to be running giveaways on stream today as well. And we're going to see if we can catch a trade for you guys. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Okay, but we'll see. But we're at, yo, W's, man. Listen, I'm going to take this moment to say, this is awesome. This is so awesome. I never thought I'd actually be streaming. I love trading. I love everything about trading. And now that I get to hop on a stream and talk to you guys about the charts and about trading, man, this is awesome. This is so cool. And there's 440 people in here right now watching us talk about charts, take trades. We haven't had a trade yet. If you guys were here on Tuesday, we had a trade on Tuesday. I had a gold short yesterday myself. We just went over this. Took this with my community yesterday. Life's good right now, man. And again, I just want to take this moment to say I appreciate every single one of you for rocking with me, hanging out with me through the stream. We will be giving back. We always give it back. Giving back some free accounts today. I'm losing my voice. I just got over a cold, so bear with me. I probably still sound a little bit stuffed up. Can't speak English sometimes. I'm losing my voice over here. But yeah, guys, we're keeping an eye on gold. We'll see if we can get reactions down here. Honestly, I would not be opposed to see gold just take a little bit of a long here and see it maybe run to these equals. It's possible. It's possible. But 37.08 is also a possible downside. Keep an eye on these lows. Okay, we'll keep those marked on. YM, let's see what YM's doing. Still trading below 8 a.m. low. Nothing too interesting yet. Promise. Like I said, we explained the trade. I already broke down the trade a couple minutes ago. So if you guys are new and want to look over my breakdown on gold, I just broke it down at the beginning of the stream. So rewind, and you'll see. If I have time later on in the stream, we'll go through it. Okay, we'll break down the trade. We'll do the giveaways in a bit as well. All that good stuff, all that jazz. YM giving us a nice reaction right now. All right, we'll have to sit on the M1 probably right now and monitor price accordingly. We got 4-hour close across futures in just under 11 minutes. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that as well. Can you hold trades longer on Alpha and FTMO? Okay, FTMO offers a swing account. Forgive me, I'm not 100% sure if Alpha has a swing account available. Maybe the mods can correct me on that. I'm not entirely sure. I'm not entirely sure. We're almost at 450, man. We are breaking all kinds of records today. Yo, I appreciate every single one of you. Let's see if we can catch a trade for you guys today. We'll see. I don't run the markets. All right, the markets can do their thing. We'll see if we get an entry though. What's gold saying? Gold's still trading below the low. In my opinion, guys, if someone did take this short, careful. This is not like a very clean short in my opinion. This high up here is a red flag. Alpha has a swing account. There you go. So there's two firms right there if you guys want to use swing accounts. I'm not sure if Funded Next offers a swing account yet. Maybe in the near future. Maybe in the near future. Marco, petition to grow the beard out. Yo, Mr. Wonder, actually, I don't know, man. I don't know. I know the wifey won't be too happy with that. The wifey doesn't like to see the beard get too long. All right, so you'll see Hannah in chat. The wifey's usually hanging out with us, and she's not the big fan of the beard. So I don't know if we can keep the beard flowing in, Wonder. I'm gonna get in trouble over here. I'm gonna be eating some a little bit of breakfast on the side, so don't mind me. There you go. Hannah says no beard. Uh-oh. Which one do you use to hold your forex trades longer? Max, I just switched back to, I didn't switch back, but I just added FX now to my portfolio again. I'm currently using FTMO. So I did 10% last week, and now I did 4%. I only need another percent on this account, and then we're done. And then I'll branch out. I'm gonna get a bunch of swing accounts. Because that was my bread and butter, to be honest with you guys, before when I was trading forex, is I would hold trades over the course of 2, 3, 4 days, maybe even a week sometimes, to my higher time frame targets. Okay, and that's how I'd make a lot of my money, to be honest with you, holding my trades. That's just how I like to capitalize in the FX market. That's just kind of like my edge. All right. I know a lot of you guys are like scalpers and intraday traders, which is fine. I found myself to, I feel like I've underperformed in futures because I can't hold my trades, and that's a big part of my edge, in my opinion. So I gotta find, well, I have been finding a way to find a more lucrative scalping method. Because again, you got to close out your trades before 5 p.m. on futures, right? We can't hold. Do you trade UK 100? Because buys are looking nice. I do not, Traderish. For all you guys new in the stream today, first of all, welcome. Much love thanks for hanging out with us. These are all the assets I trade. Okay, the bottom half is forex. The top half is futures. All right, so I do trade both markets. Scalping intraday is for futures, of course. And then I have like more of a swing slash intra-week approach for for forex. Is swing trading allowed on funded accounts? Yes, it is. Only with specific firms though, brother. So you have to do your due diligence and find out which firms allow it. All right. Marco, when's the Italian? Yo, Wonder says, Marco, when are the Italian lessons when there's no trade? All right, guys. Funny enough, I only know swear words in Italian, so I am not going to speak Italian to you guys. I'm very limited on the knowledge I have in the Italian language. Unfortunately, the only words I know in Italian, not the only, I know all the basics and stuff in Italian, but most of the words I know in Italian are swear words. They're cuss words, so that ain't gonna happen, brother. What trading books do you read? You know what? Here, I'll show you what trading books I read. Oops. I'll show you guys. All right, this is the trading book I like to read. This is my trading book right here, guys. Lock in. I don't read books when I can literally, my books are here on this podcast right in front of you guys. If you guys don't watch this podcast, what are you doing? What are you doing? If you can't read like me, okay, I can read. Okay, I'm not actually brain dead like that. My problem is when I open up and read a book, I can't soak in all the information in front of me for some reason. I'll read 50 pages and I won't be able to tell you a single thing that I just read. So what do? Is I watch Mr. Words of Wisdom, because these guys are goats. And why do you not want to learn from the goats? So those are my books right there. All right. Those are my books. Gold sitting below the low still. Getting a little bit of a rejection currently. Nothing crazy. GJ kind of chilling as well. A little bit of a slow day across the board so far. Same with YM. Samir, you know my saying. You know my saying. The best loser wins. It's true. If you guys don't know that yet, you want me to drop some value, a little bit of knowledge in you guys real quick? If you guys don't know how to lose, what do I mean by that? When you guys take a loss, do you take a loss and not care? Or do you take a loss and immediately your emotions heighten and like, oh my God, now I have to make back that loss? If you're that kind of person, that's not being a good loser. Okay, a good loser is you take a loss and you shut down the charts. Okay, and you understand that losing is a part of the game. Even the best of the best lose. It's completely normal. So my best advice, and this is, if someone came to me and said, Marco, what's the best advice you give to a new trader, is learn how to become a good loser. Learn how to take a loss to the chin. The sooner you guys know how to lose and move on with your day, the more you'll progress. Okay, understand something. The majority of people, we're all human, so the majority of the people don't know how to lose, man. People will take a loss and immediately they'll overtrade and they'll try to make back that loss. So do the opposite of the majority. Do the opposite of the majority. Majority overtrade. Majority will revenge trade and try and make that loss back. So do the exact opposite. I promise you, and this is literally a promise, if you learn how to take a loss properly and move on with your day and learn to not care about that loss, you will literally progress so fast. So fast. Praveen says, thank you, Marco, for uploading the daily bias video, which I requested. Praveen, maybe it was you that requested it. But yeah, you guys showed a lot of love on those new videos. For the new people in here, I upload a YouTube video every single Tuesday and Saturday on my YouTube channel. The links are down in the description below. So if you guys want to learn more about how I trade, watch those videos, man. Lots of stuff there. Trading for Keeps says, LFG, patience, persistence, and accepting losses is key in this game. 100%. Guys, some of the best traders in the world have like a 35% win rate. Think about that. Some of the best traders in the world have like a 35% win rate. But yet they're making millions of dollars. And then a lot of you guys in here, probably you hear 35% win rate and you're like, oh my God, yo, this guy doesn't know how to trade. He only wins 35% of the time. That guy who's winning 35% of the time, he knows how to keep his losses like this and his winners like this. That's why he's making a shit ton of money. He doesn't care about the short-term game. He cares about the long-term game. His long-term vision is in check. And I tweeted this. You know what? I think I read this on stream. I read this on stream on Tuesday. But maybe we got some new faces in here. So I'm going to read this once more for you guys because this is so important. Listen up. All right. And this is, I'm talking about myself here. I can confidently say there is no, this is not the right one. Bear with me. Here we go. Looking back at all of my worst trading days, I can confidently say that my first L was never my biggest. It's the poor decisions that come after the L. This year, a big focus of mine has been learning when to become a good, how to become a good loser and knowing when to shut it down. All right. And I hope you guys can, are starting to realize a pattern here, right? Even with Tyler. Do you see Tyler taking trades all the time? Do you see me taking trades all the time? No. Stay patient. Wait for your setups. If the trade loses, move on with your day. That's completely normal. That's trading for you. All right. Gold, a little bit of a rejection right here. So if 10 a.m. has now come in, look at the 30-minute wick we've now left. Okay. Rejection off the back of that low, which we talked about was possible. Was there an entry? No. No entry yet. All right. So we're going to continue to wait. YM is a little bit slow right now, guys. We also got 4-hour low down here because the 4-hour just closed up. I'll turn on my 4-hour low actually. So the 4-hour low is going to be down here now. There it is. So, Marco, do you think Wall Street traders trade the best? I have no idea how the top dogs trade, like the big hedge fund guys. Like maybe it's like off fundamentals. All I know is that they have risk management protocol still. They have a strategy. They have a system. They have an edge and they stick to it. And they also lose money, guys. They also lose. Please understand that losing is friggin' normal, man. It's so normal. I just got stopped out twice. I have one more trade before I got to kill it for the day. I got to stick to the trading plan. Okay, that's fine. If your trading plan says you can take 3 losses in a day, that's fine. In my opinion, 3 is maybe a little bit too much. I'm not going to lie. After 2 losses, you might not see anything too pretty. Emotionally, you're gonna start feeling a little bit over the edge. So, in my opinion, step carefully. Be careful. How do you keep losers small and winners big? Scale in so those RR is bigger. Literally, just make sure your RR, like you're risking more than. So, example, look at my trade from yesterday. And I know a lot of people. There's this stigma about low or small stop losses, big risk to reward. Some people say it automatically you're gonna have a low strike rate. It's BS. It's BS. Because even people that trade big stop losses, some of those guys can have small hit rates. It's all about trade selection, understanding when to trade higher probable conditions and lower probable conditions. But there's a good example here. This is a 1 to 11, but I'm never gonna lie to you guys. This is not. I didn't hold the trade for 11R. It's BS. I took partials, a small partial here, small partial here, and then full position out here, and I made almost 7R, which is phenomenal. That's unreal, right? These are the kind of trades. This short I took yesterday are the kind of trades that will make your month. That will make your month. Okay, I'm not saying there's a trade like this every single day. That's BS. Anybody who said you can take a friggin' 1 to 10 trade every single day is literally lying to your face. When I get these kind of trades though, these kind of trades will make your month. Mark my words, I promise you. And maybe you can get like 1 or 2 of these a month. Praveen says, Marco, suppose you are trading with $1,000. How much capital would you want to risk? In my opinion, whenever I trade personal accounts, guys, I just trade I risk a figure I'm comfortable trading. I'm comfortable risking. So if like a $1,000 account's kind of hard because that's very small for me to trade. If I was trading like a $10,000 account, I'd probably be risking anywhere in between like $250 to $500 a trade. I don't really trade off percentages too much. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. To keep it 100, I just trade basically whatever figure I'm comfortable risking. If that's $500, that's $500. If it's $1,000, then it's $1,000. And whatever that percent ends up being, I just trade a figure that I'm comfortable risking. And that's just something I've done and found consistency in. So, we got some slow PA on GJ right now. Nothing too pretty currently. Maybe though. Let's see what happens below this low. On GJ. Okay, I'd want to see price stay below this high as well. All right. See what GJ's got for us. For all the new people in here, it is 10:05. So listen, we're gonna be running some giveaways shortly. Again, if you're new here, join our free Discord. Massive giveaway happening there. Again, we're giving away like an iPhone, a brand new iPhone 17. We're giving away 5 TradeZella subscriptions, 5 Apex accounts, 5 funded Next accounts, 5 Alpha accounts. The list goes on and on. All right. And for myself on stream today, I'm going to be giving away Apex accounts, more TradeZella subscriptions. So hang around. We'll be doing that shortly. We're just looking at some charts right now. There might be some opportunity. The delivery is a bit slow today. We're already at 10 a.m. So, all right, YM's going a little long. And there you go. Check the chat down below. Chat down below. Mods have posted the link for the free Discord. So if you're not in the free Discord, join up. Get in there. Sandeep says, will you take a trade today? Man, if there's a setup that comes, of course I'll take a trade. I've taken a trade every single day this week, actually. Monday I took a trade. Tuesday I took a trade. Wednesday I took a trade. Which is not usually that common. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I usually take somewhere in between like 2 and 4 in a week. But hey, if there's a setup every day, there's a setup every day. I'm not going to take the setup if there's one there. The thing is though, there's a big difference between understanding that when I show up to the charts every single day, I don't expect to take a trade every day. Now, if there's a setup every day, awesome, that's fine. I'll take it. But the big difference is I don't show up here expecting a trade every day. All right, that's that perspective you guys need to have. What is your average RR and win rate? I won't take a setup unless it's minimum 1 to 3. And my average win rate in market conditions, it'll vary anywhere in between 35 and like 55%. Funnily enough, I'm on a massive winning streak right now. I haven't lost a single trade in 2 weeks. Ever since I switched back to forex, I have a 100% strike rate right now. I could literally show you guys. Actually, I have shown you guys. If you go on my Twitter, I've tweeted every single trade I've taken in the last 2 weeks. This is this account, so I don't know if you guys can see. I haven't lost a trade on this one, and then the account I was trading last week. There you go. There you go. So ever since I switched back to FX, which is funny, I haven't lost a trade yet. It's gonna come, man. Like I'm not a friggin' fortune teller. I'm gonna lose a trade sooner or later, but I am on a little bit of a winning streak right now, so we'll take it when we get it. Why wouldn't we? I'm also, and this is maybe a little bit of a wake-up call for you guys. I'm stepping carefully though now, because I don't want to just let my ego take over and think, oh my god, I can't lose a trade. I'm gonna win everything I take. No. The market will humble you so quickly if you have that perspective. The market will slap your ass up. Sergi says, Marco, I'm loving your strategy. 2 W's this week on GBP CAD and CAD JPY. I'm learning day by day. Sergi, sure, Jeet. That is the perspective you need. That is the approach you need. Learning day by day, long-term vision. But well done, bro. Congratulations. Keep it up. Stay consistent. Consistency and repetition is so important in this game, guys. It's something I preach a lot. Is it a funded account? No, this is not a funded. Like I just said, I just switched back to forex last week, guys. As you guys know from previous streams, I've been trading futures only this year. However, as you guys also know, the indices have been at all-time highs, and I haven't taken a trade on the indices in like freaking 2 weeks, man. So I was like, instead of just sitting my hands and doing nothing, of course it's not a bad thing, but I want to be active as well, in a sense where I'll go over to the forex market and see if there's opportunity there. Right? Did I need to do that? No. But hey, as a trader, we need to be able to react to certain market conditions. So hey, I thought this would be a good time to see what's happening in the forex market. A little bit of a reaction back down to the downside on gold. Marco, waiting for your trading journey video on inter-equity channel. Akash, maybe, yeah, maybe we can record something like that in the future. We'll see, we'll see. I have a new video coming out this Saturday on my YouTube. I just put a new one out Tuesday. So if you guys do want to watch some of those YouTube videos, links are in the description down below. I've been dropping a video every single Tuesday and Saturday right now, guys. I just trade forex, man. Your system works really well in forex. I love it. Andy, that's good news, bro. Keep it up, man. If you guys can do me a quick favor, for all the new people in here, man, drop a like on the stream if you can. It's free. It helps us, helps you guys. I'm going to be running giveaways shortly. It's 10:10 right now, 10:10 my time. I'm going to be doing a giveaway shortly. We'll be doing Apex accounts. We'll be doing TradeZella subscriptions. So hang around. Stay tuned. Listen, if you guys aren't in here for the entry and you guys missed the opportunity to get involved in the giveaway, it's not my fault, man. I've been saying this whole stream to be ready. All right, so be ready. Don't miss the giveaway. Yes, for someone that said, have I ever tried the strategy in crypto? Yes, sir. The strategy works in crypto. People in my community trade crypto. GJ's cooked now. I can't take this entry. People in my community trade crypto all the time. I have once, but a lot of people trade it in my community. How about a gold trade? No, I'm not. I wouldn't touch nothing right now in gold. I'll let you guys know if I want to take anything. Trust me. Trust me. YM's gone long off the open a bit, leaving 4-hour low, which is a little bit ugly. A little bit ugly. Looking back at this though, the move is occurring, yes, but I have not missed a trade, and that's the difference. Okay, I didn't miss an entry. Hermanth, I'm not trading NQ right now. I have no idea where that thing wants to go. Do you have videos explaining your strategy? Okay, so for the new people here, I do. I recorded a 2-hour long video. Mods, if you can spam that in the chat down below. I recorded a 2-hour long video with Papa Riz on ChartFanatics. 2 hours long, going over exactly how I trade. So you have that video. You have all my YouTube videos. You have my free Telegram. All this is, I blast a bunch of free content. Excuse me. WTF is going on. Marco, what are some brokerages you would recommend for us traders? Not too much a fan of funding. I'm not sure. I'm not a US trader. I'm from Canada. So I don't know which brokerages you guys have access to and which ones you do. The best ChartFanatics video. Yo, I appreciate you here, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Many people from India in the chat. Love from India. Much love all back to you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. Not just the people from India. I appreciate every single one of you. And a lot of new faces, but also a lot of reoccurring people hopping in. So again, I appreciate all of you guys for hanging in with me. I love doing these streams. I literally love them. I look forward to every single Tuesday and Thursday. Always a good time. I've watched all your videos related to liquidity on IET channel, and I must say those are literally great, and you and Avid put so much effort in. Akash, thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We've been on the YouTube grind right now, and I've been loving it. I've been recording a lot of YouTube videos right now. It's a good time, man. Call in. Yeah, a lot of people have been asking me about Euro, guys. I honestly, look at this price action right now. We've had quite a big of a move in London. I'm not interested in Euro right now. I'd let you guys know if I was. I cannot get a decent read on it right now. There's a lot of liquidity to the downside, but even entry wise, nothing. Nothing. Yo, those NQ longs, Not for my system, at least. I can't take nothing yet. YM back up to the highs. Let's see. We got a 4-hour high up here. Liquidity up here. The 1 hour is looking a little bit bullish currently. Nothing too pretty yet for myself, guys. GJ is above these highs. I cooked. Oh man, Tyler. What am I saying? Oh man, for actually. What the hell? W Tyler smashed NQ longs. Let's go. Let's go. Much love from Afghanistan. Yo, goddamn, bro, you've been spamming that shit. Much love right back to you in Afghanistan, bro. Stop spamming though, man. Arif, I'm gonna have to put you in. Look. Oh my. I'm gonna have to put you in timeout. Gonna be running some giveaways shortly, guys. It's 10:15. You know what we can do? Let me think. Hi from Romania, from Pakistan, from Afghanistan. Yeah, Arif, listen, bro, I appreciate you showing love, but guys, listen, this goes for everybody in here. Please don't spam the chat, man. It just makes it more difficult for me to read everybody else's messages. That's no fun. Promise, yes, Tyler is going live today in Asia. So if you guys want to trade Asia, or if you guys just want pure entertainment, come hang out with the brother Tyler tonight in Asia session. Love from Newcastle, love from Pakistan. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you, Richie. Appreciate you. All right, guys, you know what we can do? Just because the charts are a little bit slow right now, and I don't see nothing currently, we'll run first part of the giveaway. All right, now listen. These are the rules for the giveaway. Listen carefully. You guys are gonna have to type a word. I'm gonna let you know what the word is, but only type it once. Only type it once. Okay, the bot is gonna recognize if you guys type it more than once, and you will be automatically disqualified. Okay, so only type it once. The word that you guys need to type. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my screen. This is the word that you guys need to type. Are you ready? To enter in to the first part of the giveaway, the word you're gonna have to type is, boom, there it is. Exclamation mark Marco. Type it once. Type it once and you will be entered into the first part of the giveaway. We're gonna run. I'll run the entries for another 60 seconds here, and then yeah, we'll run the first part of the giveaway, guys. First one of the day. Awesome. Enter in. Flood in. I'll give you guys another 30 seconds here. I'm gonna have to message Anthony here, and I'll tell him when to cut it off. I'm gonna give you guys a couple more seconds. Couple more seconds. All right, we're cutting it. No more. Entries are finished. Cool. All right, and I know someone said do something other than the wheel. Bro, listen, I need you to understand something. First of all, for the wheel, I can enter everybody in. So everybody can join this, not just 100. All right, second of all, the ducky race is for Tyler, not for me. Tyler is the host of the ducky race. So I can't take that from him. We have to respect Tyler and his duck race. So I am going to be doing the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, guys, listen, no more spam in the chat with exclamation point Marco. It's done. Dunzo. No more entries. No more spamming. We're done. We're gonna run the first part of the giveaway right now. We're gonna run the first part of the giveaway right now. I'm gonna wait for the names. 1 second. I'm gonna wait for the names from Ant. Ant's gonna send me over the names. Marco, while you're learning the trading in the past few years, you lose some capital at the time. So do you think I want to give up trading? Never, man. You got to keep working. Trading is not an easy journey, guys. We talk about this all the time. Trading is difficult. It's hard. Anything difficult in life, though, it's worth doing. Always. It's always worth doing. All right. I got the names in. 1 second. Let me enter in. Boom. Oh my gosh. All right. Everybody, lock in. Lock in. This is giveaway time. Who doesn't like giveaway time? Drum roll. The first winner for an Apex account. Listen up. The first winner is going to... Oh my God, I can't even see the names. It's gonna pop up. It's gonna pop up here. Who is it? Who is it? Stacy Leah. Stacy Leah. Congratulations. You have won yourself a free Apex account. The size of your choosing, I believe, as well. The size of your choosing. Well, show me you're in chat. Are you in chat right now? Stacy, are you in here? Mr. Wonder, don't worry, guys. Listen, if you guys missed your entry, no worries. This is the first part of the giveaway. We're gonna run the second part in a little bit. This is the first part. Stacy, let's go. W Stacy, congratulations on your free Apex account. Congratulations. Awesome. Cool. Okay, guys, listen. We're going to do another one now. Another Apex account. Again, congratulations to Stacy W's. Second account. Apex account of your choosing is going to go to... Who is it? Who is it? Sandra Dickerson. Sandra Dickerson. Congratulations to Sandra Dickerson. You have won yourself a free Apex account, size of your choosing. W's for Sandra. Sandra, are you in chat? Show me a sign of life. Show me a sign of life. Sandra's in here? Awesome. Let's go, Sandra. W. Congratulations, Sandra. The mods will sort you out. There's your directions in there. So Sandra, you have won yourself a 300K. Well, actually, I think an account size of your choosing. Please DM ChartFanatics live on Instagram. Okay? There you go. Awesome. Congratulations once again. All right, guys. That was part 1 of giveaways. We're going to run part 2 in a little bit here. I want to give everybody another opportunity to join in the next giveaway because I know some people missed entries on this one. So we'll clear the names. That was a lot of entries. Oh my gosh. We'll clear the names. We're going to run part 2 in a couple minutes to give everybody an opportunity to join back in. W's and congratulations to those winners. But guys, stay in here, guys. Listen, if you guys miss next entries, I don't feel bad for you. I don't feel bad because I give everybody an opportunity. All right, so we're gonna run second part of the giveaway in a short while. Gold going long off. Gold going, yeah, guys, listen. If you're spamming Marco right now, you know what I can do? I have the option of putting you in timeout. But you know what I'm also gonna do is that's not the word for the next entry. So, joke's on you. Joke's on you. It's gonna be a different word for the next entry. It's gonna be a different word for the next entry. So I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. Stay tuned. It's 10:20, so we'll run the second part of the giveaway shortly, okay? And one of those giveaways will be for TradeZella. 6, count them, 6 months. TradeZella. Guys, oh my God, one day I keep getting spam phone calls. One day, what we have to do, I need your help. One day, chat, I'm gonna put the phone number on stream and we're gonna blow that number up, okay? Because I get spam calls from these stupid numbers all the time. So one day we're gonna get that call, that phone number is gonna get 400 phone calls from us. Okay, we're gonna ruin their day because they're annoying. All right. What's good with chat? I mean, what's good with the charts? YM going long. Okay, we have our eyes on these highs. However, no entries yet, man. No entries, and it is what it is. We'll see what happens the rest of the session here. It's 10:25. Still got time. Drop the number right now. Hey, man. We'll see. Steven says, your videos have opened my eyes. Thanks a million times. No worries, man. Every time I get messages like that, it makes me happy that I'm providing some sort of value to you guys, whether that's my strategy or just me chatting, talking to you guys, giving you guys some tips, some things that have helped me that can maybe help you. We're just waiting on a couple things right now. Gold could go long. Okay, we're gonna keep our eye on it. This was my short position yesterday for the new people in here. Incredible short yesterday. Honestly, you only get these once every couple weeks, in my opinion. But an incredible opportunity on gold yesterday. A little bit of a slower price action kind of day so far today in New York session. YM chilling as well. This is what we're looking like now. Shirag says, today I learned a valuable lesson. I always get frustrated before about missing moves, but then I realized that there was no way to enter by the system. You know what? That's a very important perspective to have, guys. And a lot of people, they hop in chat and they say that to me. They go, yo, Marco, are you mad that you're not in this move even though you called it out? No, I'm not. I'll be mad at myself if a move comes around and it was to my system and there was an entry and I still didn't take it, because then there's something wrong, right? However, there is going to be a million moves that occur that I cannot be involved in because there was no entry, and that's fine. That's just per my system, guys. If there's no entry, who cares? It wasn't meant to be for you to be in the trade. Don't try and go back and force a way of getting into it. No, it does not work like that. Okay, so listen, if your system, your edge, your model says you're not supposed to be in that move, then it's not a trade you needed to be in. DP says some of these prop firms are really bad. Do a video on tips for spot. Listen, guys, good news. We have, one second. I'm going to show you guys. Prop firm trader. There you go. If you guys want to know which props to be trading, go on this page, because that page, prop firm trader, shows you the exact firms you should be using. Okay, and of course, if you guys want to be trading the firms we're partnered with them for a good reason. Obviously, they're a respectable firm, right? So Apex, for example, on the futures side, respectable firm. Funded Next on the CFD side, incredibly respectable firm. Both these firms are great. So there's your great examples of firms you should be trading. However, if you really want to know what other firms you can trade, Prop Firm Trader, go check them out. They have reviews of which firms you can use, and also discounts. I mean, who doesn't like a discount? There you go. Mods are putting it in chat below. Ernesto, I do not use Fibonacci, bro. I do not use Fibonacci. I'm done my coffee now. Sad times. I love coffee. So guys, I know a lot of you guys are asking me about that trade I took yesterday on gold. For the new people in here, I did an in-depth breakdown at the beginning of the stream. So rewind after the stream, or even right now if you want, and go watch the breakdown I did on my gold short from yesterday. I took this with my community yesterday in New York, 9:10, 9:15-ish. All right. Stevens, yeah, listen, the only reason I'm not looking at euro right now, bro, and I know you're saying do a breakdown of liquidity points. I don't have a good idea of where price needs to go, so I don't have a breakdown for you. And that's it. As simple as that. 580 a good target. I'm not sure which one you're talking about. You're talking about YM? Warren, I'd more price action, man. Like I said to you guys, listen, everyone likes to come into the chat and say, Marco, what do you want to see for a trade? I want to see my setup. That's what I want to see. That's it. Julia Kim, yes, it does. It gives you lifetime access, of course. Your trading strategy is simple and profitable. Keep the Train Your Eyes episodes coming. Bosco, appreciate you, bro. I'm going to be recording a bunch more, I promise you guys. A lot of people watch those videos. The Training the Eye ones are loving it, so I'm going to keep them coming. Marco, can you show us what kind of entry you're waiting for on YM? As of right now, price would need to trade below this low, and we'll see how we develop afterwards. But I need price below this low first and foremost. Marco, can you emphasize the need for an 18 to 24? Okay, it's not a need. It depends on what direction you want to go. So for myself, I eventually probably want to go and work with investors, big investors in the future. I mean, that's what I see right now. I mean, this is years down the line. In order for me to do that, Shaw, I need to have some sort of a professional track record in front of me, a verified track record. So that means by having an account set up for 18, I didn't really say 18 months. I said 24 months and on. 24 months on the low end, right? 2 years minimum. But again, it just depends what route you guys want to go. Can you please explain what people mean by stop loss hunting? Okay, so there's this whole stigma about stop loss hunting and algorithms and retail traders' money. These are all theories, guys, right? They're all theories at the end of the day. People just mean by stop loss hunting that it's a term for their system. For example, I understand that high taken out, buyers want to buy above this low. So when the low gets taken, you can call it a run on the low. You can call it a stop loss hunt, whatever you want to call it, right? There's all these terms. Does it actually mean we're hunting stop losses? Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? All I know is that my strategy works over the long period of time. My system works over a long period of time. My edge works, so I stick with it. There's a bunch of terms. Like even, for example, a lot of people ask me about how to identify a liquidity block. I just call it a liquidity block when a level of liquidity has been taken out, okay, and we create a high. That's a liquidity block for me, and that's it. Some other people, I know some other people call them like a strong high or something like that. I just titled it a liquidity block because that's just, again, it's just my system and stuff. It's not the golden key. It's not, you know what I mean? It's not the key to profitability. No, these are just terms to just basically explain how I trade better and quicker. That's it. Marco, do you think we can break resistance and close above 400 likes today? Yo, Jason, you're a goat, bro. You're a goat. I don't know. It's listen, guys, is this a glitch on my end? 435 viewers today and 350 likes. Toss a like on stream, guys. Come on, toss us a like. It's free. It helps us. Do the right thing and toss a like. And we're gonna be running the second part to the giveaway shortly. We're going to be running the second part to the giveaway shortly. So everybody in here right now, I've already said it once, okay? If you miss the entries for the next giveaway, I have been telling you the friggin' all morning that I'm going to be running giveaways. So if you miss the entries, not my fault. Not my fault. We're going to be running them shortly. All right, I'm giving everybody a second chance to enter this giveaway. Gold is screwing around. Listen, this thing might just go sell off the rest of the day. It might just sell off the rest of the day. There ain't nothing pretty on gold right now. GJ's been dead. Yeah, the things I want to be looking at right now is nothing pretty. A little bit of a slower day of price action. YM going long off the lows. So now this is a good lesson for all you guys. All right. I'm going to draw you guys a diagram. When we have this occur, okay, we take out previous high and the market prints from low to high. There's a new high in the market, which means buyers want to buy here. They want to buy at the low. They want to do this. Okay. We all understand that now, right? We all understand that. So there's going to be liquidity below that low now. There's liquidity here now. Look how simple this is. You know, this is like, I don't need to show you guys no inverse unicorn fair value gap friggin', I don't know all this terminology nowadays, man, but I don't need to show you the orbs, nothing. Look at this. Low, respected low, moved away. You know what that means? There's friggin' buyers there. There's liquidity at this low. Isn't that crazy? So now look what's happened on YM. We have taken out the high and prices come back and respected the low. So what does that mean? Oh my God. We have liquidity down here. You know what we can do? Look at this. We got liquidity below this low. So I'm going to put a little happy face down here because we got Jimmy, Jonathan, and Matt. They're down here. They entered buys. So there's going to be liquidity below this low. See how simple that is? And everybody in this friggin' industry that likes to trade these liquidity concepts overcomplicates everything, man. My favorite thing when people say, this is, I don't want to say it makes me laugh, but my favorite thing is people go, yo, there's liquidity above every high and low. Oh, that's good advice. That's great advice. What kind of advice is that? There's liquidity above every high and low. How do you tell that to the new trader? They're going to be looking at every freaking high and low. They're going to be losing their mind. Excuse me. Andy says that's what we call simplicity. Yes, sir. Those screaming long on NQ, where do you put your stop now? I'm not looking at NQ unless you're talking to someone else. Guys, my best advice for people who ask me about LBs, liquidity blocks, is listen, sometimes there's a couple on your chart. Yes. The most important part to the charts and how I trade is liquidity. You have to pair liquidity with this concept I have called liquidity blocks. You have to pair it. What is the blue line meaning? It's just a low from the left-hand side, bro. Right there. It's just a low from the left. To be honest with you, now that it's ran, I usually just keep it on when they're not ran yet, but now that it's taken, we can just change that for a little line to clean up the chart a bit. There you go. Andy says to trade if you see what you want to see clearly. If you don't see it, you don't get in. That sounds right to me. If you don't have a setup, you don't trade. Very simple. If you don't see a setup, you don't trade. It's as simple as that. Guys, everybody who's asking about the giveaway, we will run them shortly. I just want to see what happens here on YM. We have some time. Why choose that low? Yo, I just gave you a whole explanation why I chose this low. I literally just gave you a whole diagram to the right-hand side. Rewind the stream. Rewind the stream, man. Love from South Africa. Much love right back to South Africa, man. Yo, I wanna make a trip out there one day, but the only problem is I think that flight is like friggin' 25 hours or something. I don't know how long it's gonna take to fly to South Africa, but that place looks so friggin' sick. Way better than where I live. I'll tell you that for free. Is Wifey still in here? Does Wifey want to go to South Africa? I don't know if she's in chat right now. Hello, Wifey, are you in here? Bro, can you look at UJ and how much should beginners focus on many pairs? UJ, I'm still waiting. You know, I'm very bullish on the higher time frames on UJ, but there's been no opportunity yet. It's the move away I wish you would clarify. Junebug, how many times have I said that when the high respects a high and moves away, that's the most important part. That confirms there's liquidity there now. I always say that. I can't be any more clear than it is. Oh my god, W. Wifey's in here. Does Wifey want to go to South Africa one day? I definitely want to go one day. Cape Town looks fire. That would be a sick trip. Yes, please visit us in South Africa. Damn, that would be so sick, guys. Maybe we gotta plan something like that. There you go. Okay, Wifey wants to go to South Africa. W. W wife. 1 second. W wife. Let's go. Why don't you like the GC chart? Yo. I don't like gold right now, guys. We're going to keep it on YM. I believe the draw on liquidity is going to be these highs today. 46,548. We're going to see what happens. We'll see what happens. Everything else I've been looking at has just been not pretty, guys. Have been not pretty. GJ looks like it's getting even short now. So, cut this thing. Wait on this guy because nothing looks too pretty on this one either. Andy says, I think if Marco and Tyler live together or go live together, things will be so hilarious. Dude, we're gonna plan a little duo stream out one day. We will 100%. Lucas says, Marco, do you use divergences when trading? I do not use divergences when I trade ever. I believe that everything you need to know about what you want to trade is right in front of you on that chart in front of you. I don't think you should be looking at other charts for anything. Everything you need to know about what's going to happen is right in front of you. That's just, again, this is my opinion. People use divergence and they find a lot of consistency with it. That's completely fine. This is just what I've found. The Training the Eyes videos are pure gold. Keep it up. May you make them longer. I know, Stevens, a lot of you guys comment and say, yo, make these videos longer. These videos are already like 10 minutes long and I'm making multiple episodes. Multiple. It's not just one video and we're done, right? But we got a lot more videos coming, I promise you. A lot more Training the Eyes. Can you check out WTI? I think that's gold. I mean, oil? I don't trade oil, bro. To be honest with you, I've never really traded it. All right, so look at this, guys. YM is now taking out the highs once again, inducing buyers. So Junebug, if you're not clear on what I explained, you just have to go back and watch some videos, man. Study. There ain't no shortcut in this game, ladies and gentlemen. There ain't no shortcut. It's a lot of hard work. And it's a lot of time and effort. Mark, can you check XAU USD? Yeah, we've been looking at it. This is what it's looking like right now. What it's looking like right now. Could go long right now. I just don't love the price action in front of us. So I'm gonna be steering clear of gold right now. Goldilocks. No thank you right now for gold for me. We'll wait and see on YM what happens. You know what we'll do though? We're gonna set an alert here because now it's go time for the second part of the giveaway. Okay? So I'm going to give you guys a second here to tell your family to hop into chat. Tell your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, the cousins, the dog, the cat, the aunt, the grandmother, the grandfather. Tell them all to hop in stream. We're going to run the second part of the giveaway. Okay? I'll tell you guys what word to use for entry. I'm going to type it on screen again. Okay? The word. And listen, okay, before I type the word, you have to, you can only type it once. Once, man. Once. See this? Wait, that's maybe two. One. Type the word once. All right? And look, listen to what Jason said. Jason said, hit the like button if you haven't already for the giveaways. W Jason. All right, guys, listen. Giveaway part 2. The word we're going to use for entry is going to be... Ready? Charts. Exclamation mark, charts. Exclamation mark, charts. That is going to be the word for the entry. You type it once. You only type it once. If you type it more than once, I'm going to put you in timeout. Exclamation mark, charts for the giveaway. Yes, there you go. Max, you know the vibes. 6. Count them. 6 months. TradeZella. There we go. I'll give you guys another 60 seconds for entries, and then we're going to cut it off. I saw wifey enter into the giveaway, guys. Listen, if the wifey wins, it's not my fault. I'll give you guys a little bit more. You guys just copy exactly what I wrote here. Exactly. Spell it exactly. Use the uppercase. All right, and you type it once. You only type it once. If you type it more than once, you're not going to be entered into the giveaway. All right? Okay. We're going to cut it. We're cutting it there. DP says insider trading if the wifey wins. That's funny. That's funny. Okay, guys, cut it. No more. No more spamming. No more spamming. Giveaway entries is now finished. All right, I'm going to be waiting for all the names on Discord from Mr. Anthony. Also, guys, can we get a little W spam for Anthony? W spam for Anthony in chat. He helps run all these streams, makes it run as smoothly as possible, helps us with the giveaways, does everything on the back end. W Anthony in chat, man. This guy helps us so much. W Anthony. Always helping us with the giveaways, helping us with the stream. These streams would not be possible without Anthony. Let's go. There we go. W's for Anthony. W Anthony. Let's go, Jason. W's, guys. Okay, cool. I'm going to be getting the names here shortly. So, it's giveaway time. It's giveaway time. Don't we love giveaway time? All right. I got the names. Anthony sent over the names. Lock in. Lock in. All right. Copy. Wheel of Fortune. Boom. Oh my gosh. We got a lot of entries. We have a lot of entries. W Anthony. Let's go, guys. Okay. Listen up. Giveaway part 2. Giveaway part 2. We're going to be doing another Apex account right now. Okay, so this one right here, this is going to be for Apex, and then we'll move on to the next one after. Another Apex account. Size of your choosing. Drum roll. Drum roll. The winner of a free Apex account, size of your choosing, goes to Hermanth. Kulamethal. Kulamethal. Hermanth. Kulamethal. Hermanth Kulamethal. W Hermanth Kulumanamathul. Let's go. Congratulations on your brand new Apex Trader Funding account. That's awesome. Are you in here? Hermanth, let's go, man. W, Hermanth, congratulations, brother. You have won yourself brand new Apex account for free. You'd have to spend $1. All you have to do is like the stream. Isn't that insane? There you go. W, Hermanth. Okay, guys, listen. For the moment we've all been waiting for. Let me get the mic. Let me get the mic close over here. For the moment we've all been waiting for. The next giveaway. The next giveaway. 6, count them, 6 months. TradeZella. Okay? And if you want to hear from somebody else on the mic, listen up.
6, count them, 6 months. TradeZella.
Oh my god, it's TradeZella time. 6, count them, 6 months. Not 2 months. Not 3. Not 4, not 5. 6 months. TradeZella. Okay, guys. Here we go. The winner of free 6 months with TradeZella. Oh my god. Here we go. Lock in, guys. Lock in. The winner, 6 months free with TradeZella, goes to Helios. Helios, man. Yo, welcome to the TradeZella family. Let's go. 6 months. 6 months, dude. That's a crazy giveaway. Helios, are you in chat? Show me some love. Tell me you're alive. Show me a sign of life. Helios, talk to me. Talk to me. Oh my god, wait, wifey said, oh my god, so close? Was she so close? Oh my god, wait a second. Oh my god, I think wifey was right underneath. No. No, it wasn't. I can't see where you were, babe. Wait, Helios, are you in here? Did I miss you? Oh my god, you're here. Helios, W. Congratulations, bro. Brother or sister, I'm not sure. But congratulations, you have won yourself 6 months with TradeZella. W. That's so awesome. Guys, thanks for joining in today. Thanks for hanging. I'm gonna wrap up stream for today. I had a wonderful time as per usual. I just want to take this moment to say thank you. Thank you to every single one of you for hanging with me. We smashed records today. We smashed live viewers. Unfortunately, we didn't find ourselves a trade, which is fine. Still had some good chats, ran some good giveaways. For all the new people in here, I'll see you over in the Discord. All right, that's where the cool kids hang out after the stream. That's where the cool kids hang out. So head over to the free Discord. If you guys haven't joined already, mods, spam that link down in the chat. But yeah, guys, listen, I appreciate you guys. I had an awesome time with you guys. I always have an awesome time with you guys. I'm here every single Tuesday and Thursday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Mr. Tyler is taking care of you guys tonight in Asia. He's going live, I believe, at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 8 p.m. tonight, Tyler is streaming. So, again, that's where the cool kids go. The Discord, and then in the Asia stream tonight. So, I'll see you. I'll be in chat later on in Asia. We'll see you there. But again, thank you so much for hanging with me today. That was an awesome time. Be safe. Stay safe. Trade safe. All the good things. We'll talk soon, guys. Take it easy. All the best.